Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UGAZ. If you are new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And overall today, very, very impressive movement. Started off very rough. I mean, on the open, the price actually gapped down and came right down. Didn't quite hit that green line that I talked about on Thursday, but got very close. So congratulations to any of you technical chart traders out there. I'm sure there are some of you out there that accumulated right there. And boy, oh boy, did you get a very nice bounce on the day, over $2. So from that point of view, good to see that $15 has been confirmed as support. So continue to watch that going forward. As far as one of the newest areas of support, and what I would call, more so the ideal level, when we say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the best going forward now? That would be if the price can stay up above 16, but it's not like the entire chart is epically destroyed if the price falls below 16. So it's nothing like that. 16 is just totally, the preferable level that would make the chart look the best going forward. Now, the one adjustment I am going to make now that we have more, data is I am going to adjust this level of resistance right up to there at $17.30. Now, the key thing here is whenever, supports or resistances are adjusted, it's important to ask, well, what direction were they adjusted? And when resistance levels are being adjusted higher, that's definitely a good sign for the bulls. That's what you would want to see. Now, if it was, a resistance level being adjusted downwards, that's not good. But in this case, adjusted it upwards. And the reason for that, like I said, with more data after today, the more data being, well, once again, 1730 rejected the price. And you look back through the history, rejected. So I'm not saying that the price can never, ever break above 1730. All I'm saying is that it's become very apparent via the story that the prices or that the chart is telling us that if the price does want to break up above that 1730 mark, apparently, the price, like I said, really gonna have to bring its A game in order to get above that level, because there's a very big track record now of that struggling. In the event, though, the chart does get the break of 1730 next week. Next key level of resistance after that I do want to get mapped out would be right up here around $17.75. So 1730 near term, and then 1775 after that. All in all, though, very, very nice bounce today. A rough start, but a very nice recovery, and not just a question going forward of, can the price finally break 1730 next week? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.